Hi everyone, and welcome to TruckerApp.com, the world's first iPhone application for the trucking industry. We wanted to make another video here for you to make sure that you get the most out of the Trucker app, and that lies within the heart of the application, the Truck Drivers Resource page. Here is our iPhone, and you can see our trucker icon there. And very, very simple to use, as you know. All you have to do is just touch on the icon, and this will start loading the application. And we're kind of out here in the middle of nowhere in a rural area, so it'll take it here a second. But again, the Trucker application has hundreds of links that will help your life as a professional driver a lot easier out there on the road. And again, it all lies within the driver's resource page, so we want to make sure you know how to get to this valuable source of information. And we'll let it load here, and this will bring you to the home page, which is also the splash page. And at the bottom of the application, you'll notice the 5 buttons there, the home and the other 4, and these are mainly your RSS feeds that we have put in there for you to pass a little bit of time out on the road when you have the chance. But the heart of Trucker, again, is the Truck Drivers Resource page. If you see the text there, it says click here to go to Drivers Resource page. So all you have to do is just touch on the text, and this is going to get you into the mechanics of the Trucker iPhone application, the Drivers Resource page. Hundreds of links and information for you to help your life easier out there on the road, all broke down in various categories. And we have the capabilities of adding new and fresh content on a daily basis to the Trucker application, unlike most smartphone applications. Being a supporter of Jason's Law, I'll make the screen here a little bit bigger. We placed on there the petition to support Jason's Law, so you can actually sign the petition and submit it right from your iPhone. Drivers are constantly sending us videos and pictures, and we can put those on there too. Driver submitted photos on Flickr, you can see them there, and we can also put them on the home page where we were just at. But the heart of the application is the Truck Drivers Resource page with all our various categories that we put here for you. So for this demo, let's just click on Trucker Services, and this will take us down to the Trucker Services section. Just a ton of information here. Find the lowest fuel, just anything that you can see there, driving instructions or directions, locate a repair service. If you get broke down, that would come in handy. And here's another one that you can see there, find a truck stop. So for the purpose of just easiness, let's just click on find a truck stop. And again, you are inside the heart of the Trucker app, the Driver's Resource page, and being here under Trucker Services, and we'll go to find a truck stop. And it's going to load here, and again, we're looking at a little 6-inch screen here, so I will make it a little bit bigger. And on this particular resource, you can search for a truck stop in various ways, by a postal code, or by city, or just a whole various different ways to search. For easy purposes, we'll just search by postal code, and I will put in our postal code here. And Donna's a whole lot better at this than I am. My little finger sometimes just can't hit the right button, but I'll put in the postal code, and then I'll click on done. And then we'll go right back to where we were, and you can see the search button there, and click search, and it is going to find me the closest truck stops to wherever I am at, or in your case, wherever you're located. And there it is. And it'll tell us where the closest truck stops are to where I'm at, and I'll bring it up here a little bit bigger so you can see. It'll tell me, there we are, Pilot, Wildwood Travel, Gates, Pilot. You see Petro there. It'll even tell me what the exit is off of the interstate, how to get there, just a bunch of information. And scroll over here, and it'll tell me how far away I am from that first Pilot truck stop, 16 miles. So that is just one of the features out of the hundreds of links. And if I click the Done button right here, we would go right back to the home page. You won't ever leave the application, but I'll go ahead and click on the back buttons here to just get me right back to the driver's resource page. And we are back. And again, just a ton of information. This is the heart of the Trucker app, so you do not want to miss this part. Just links after links of the finest links that we have found off the net, all in one place. And to keep you from having to scroll up and down, if you notice at the end of each category, we have placed a back to top anchor link. And so you can just hit the back to top and you instantly go right back to the beginning at the top of the truck driver's resource page. Very easy navigation, very easy to use. And again, just hundreds of links all in one place, so you don't have to just spend hours and hours searching. Click the Done button, like I said, and it takes you right back to the home page, so you don't ever leave the application. And at the bottom here are the buttons. And again, these are mostly RSS feeds that we put in just for your leisure and enjoyment when you have a little time on the road. You can click on the news feed, and this is pulling in our feed from our trucking blog, AskTheTrucker.com, so you can read everything that we've been posting there. And the next one is the events, and this pulls in trucking related events from all over the country and puts it right there on there for you. And as you can see right here, there it is, the Great American Trucking Show, where you may be at right now watching this video. So just another excellent feed that we put in there for you to keep you on top of what's going on within the trucking industry. And the media button is just a fun button that we put in there for you, pulling in YouTube videos. We actually place those up there for you. You can submit your own video and share them with other iPhone trucker users. Again, we have the capabilities of adding fresh and new content on the Trucker app on a daily basis if we want to, unlike most applications that just remain stationary. And also within the media section, we have our talk show on Blog Talk Radio, Truth About Trucking Live. And we've gotten many requests to put our talk show within the media section. Each one has a little image that will tell you if it's a video, and as you can see right there, Blog Talk Radio, the effects of NAFTA and Jason's Law. There's some of the shows that we have done on Truth About Trucking Live on Blog Talk Radio. If you want to watch a video or listen to the talk show, just click on it. We won't do that right now. But very easy to use. And the last button you see there is the Twitter feed. And we have the Trucker app on Twitter at twitter.com/truckerapp. And this is pulling in trucking news just from all over. You see FedEx there. Just tons of news constantly being fed in there, so you can keep track on what's going on within the industry. And we'll click home and go right back to the home page. And this is a splash page where we put drivers' photos that send it to us. And again, your RSS feeds and your home page there, and the text. Click here to go to driver's resource page. That is the heart of Trucker. Just click on the text and you are back to the driver's resource page. This is the mechanics of the Trucker app. This is what makes it so unique and special for truck drivers and businesses performing services within the trucking industry. Just, you can see all the hundreds of links we have there, and again, we placed the back to top anchor link there for you, so you don't have to just keep scrolling up and down. Just hit on the back to top, and it takes you right back to the beginning of the driver's resource page. So just a ton of information, very simple to use. The Trucker application, you can find it at truckerapp.com. Download it from the iTunes store. It's only 99 cents. This is Trucker version 1. Trucker version 2 will be coming out soon which is going to have a ton of other things. So I hope you enjoy it. Hope this helps you to understand better how to get to the driver's resource page, which is the heart of the trucker application.